Ich glaube, der Moment, der am
My happiest moment was during my time in Malawi, when I was there for half a year. We were able to prescribe glasses for a middle-aged woman because we had seen she was short-sighted. And she was so happy that she started dancing immediately.
Es gibt momentan
There are currently more than 950 million people who can't work or learn because they have poor eyesight due to ametropia. And at the time, Martin had discovered in a dollar shop that there were in fact glasses for €1. So he wondered how we could make glasses available to those 950 million people in order to see better.
Am Anfang hieß es,
When I joined, the challenge was to digitize our bending machine. But soon we discovered, we also need drawings of lenses. And not every CAD software can do that. But luckily, Solid Edge is really good at that.
Mein Name ist René von Kunzberg.
My name is René von Kunzberg. At $1 Glasses, I am responsible for optics, production, and logistics. We wanted to start a project in Colombia, and import of the materials turned out to be a real challenge. A huge point was the quality of our technical drawings, which we needed to get certified in order to meet all the requirements for the medical device regulation. And Sabina then said pretty quickly, okay, we definitely have to use a professional program for this. She made contact, and success! We could actually use Solid Edge from Siemens free of charge as floating license.
Ich glaube, ich habe jetzt dafür ungefähr
It took me about 5 minutes to bend something like this.
sowas hier zu biegen.
Mein Name ist Sabine Adams und
My name is Sabina Adams, and I am part of the team responsible for the bending machines and tools at $1 Glasses, where I use Solid Edge to create 3D and 2D drawings of our machine. We are now in the 5th generation of the machine, and without this documentation, we would no longer be able to repair old bending machines because we don't know how it was designed in the first place. And the new bending machine has to be so well designed and documented that we could actually send it to 2, 3, or 4 suppliers, and they all make the same one without compromising quality. I chose Solid Edge for several reasons. One reason was that it is particularly suitable for mechanical design and that it's easy to create drawings quickly. And of course, my considerations as instructor.
Perspektive, das kann man relativ.
It's relatively easy to teach someone. Now the problem here is knowing how everything comes together. And that's what I'm seeing now during bending. Actually, that is very important information for me. What is actually important for what? The vision for the future is actually to use a professional data management, preferably in combination with Solid Edge, which already contains certain functionalities.
Also der größte Punkt für mich auf jeden Fall.
So the biggest point for me was that with the cooperation with Siemens and using the Solid Edge software, we had the opportunity to get our medical device regulation. Then we could start the project in Colombia, which wouldn't have been possible without this software.
Unterstützung in die
Support of any kind, whether partnership, cooperation, whatever you want to call it, is essential for what we have achieved so far and what we want to achieve in the future.